Hi, my name is Prokhor Sikder and I'll walk you through all the steps on how to restrict someone on Facebook without blocking them. This works both on iPhone and Android. Let's start with opening the Facebook app. You have to be friends with the person you want to restrict on Facebook. You can't restrict someone on Facebook if you are not friends with them. Start with opening the menu from the bottom right of your Facebook app. Now tap on your name to open your Facebook profile. You'll see friends here. Tap on it to see the list of your friends. I don't have many friends on this profile, but you'll have all your friends listed here. In fact, you can find them by searching their name on the search bar. Tap on that profile you want to restrict. You'll see this friends option, tap on it. Now you'll have 4 options. Tap on edit friends list to restrict. You'll see the restricted option here. You just select restricted and hit done. And that's it. That's how you restrict someone on Facebook without blocking them. If my video helped you, could you be kind enough to give it a like and subscribe to my channel? This really helps. Thanks.